Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for Taurus for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus. So Taurus videos are very consistent on the channel, and let me tell you a secret, all other signs hate us for that. Alright, but anyway, let's just continue doing us, right? Alright, messages for Taurus please for week ahead. What is up with Taurus? My baby's Taurus. Moon card, somebody is confusing you. Some of you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. Yeah. Oopsie, what the fuck is happening? Okay, so I see that somebody is confusing the hell out of you. I see somebody either has approached you, like this person has come with some sort of communication towards you, but you know what, the bad thing is that this person is still very confused. Some of you, I see that this is a past situation, you know, so maybe in the recent past you had a very dramatic situation with somebody. Maybe things were just said and there was a very heated argument, or you said something, they said something, or there were just a lot of secrets available in the situation. Somebody was not opening up clearly, and when you were confronting them, they started fighting with you. That is the message that I'm getting, okay? In spite of the fight, this person did not tell you what it was. They were used to just fight with you. Every time you confront, they will ghost you, or they will just create some sort of drama, but this person will not give you a clear picture of what is up. All right, so somebody has been very in and out of your life. I see that sometimes this person just comes all-fledged, all in, full-fledged, and the other time this person cannot be seen anywhere. Some of it's generally Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, or Pisces that you're dealing with. So yeah, somebody very in and out, very unreliable, very dramatic. This person might also be playing mind games with you, and you kind of know Taurus, because Taurus can smell the crap from very far basically. Knight of Cups. Some of you have two people, air sign, water sign, coming towards you. I see there is someone coming in with love. The same person who has been very dramatic. For some of you, it could be a completely new person. Hierophant. What the hell just happened? Can you see the transition, Taurus? So we basically have a fuckboy here. Fuckboy continues. Somebody becomes a marriage material. How is a fuckboy or a fuckgirl becoming a marriage material here? Some of you are dealing with a Pisces very strongly, because kind of same message came in Pisces reading. I just uploaded like a few minutes back. Some of you are dealing with a Pisces. What is happening here? You basically closed a chapter with somebody and you thought that this is done, all right? I see that the last time when you both spoke to each other, you told this person that this is done, I'm never going to talk to you, this is over from my side, I will never see your face. You have already said this to this person, or they said that to you. I don't know who said to whom, but I definitely see something came to an end, all right? It was a full and final breakup, because this person was very in and out. But you know the good thing? They are not going anywhere. Somebody is not ready to leave your life, Taurus. I see somebody is very, very stubborn and they want to be in your life. So no matter how much you push them out of your life, they will always come back. Knight of Wands. Somebody is very stubborn to be in your life. This person do not want to go away. And you are sick of them. You are tired of their nonsense. You're tired of the drama. Okay, what is Taurus feelings toward this person? Why can't I speak? Taurus feelings for this person. Ace of Pentacles, Taurus. Taurus? You want a new beginning with them? Some of you want a new beginning with someone else. Six of Cups. Sorry, Six of Pentacles and Six of Cups. Some of you do want a new beginning with this person. So if you want to tell me in the comment section that you don't, then you're just making a fool of yourself. Because what is this? Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles. I see some of you want this person. In spite of all the drama that they created, and you also told them that you don't want them, but you still want them. So at the back of your mind, you want this person. You are waiting for this person to come correct so that you can have a reconciliation. Some of you are dealing with another earth sign or water sign very strongly. You are looking for this person to make a move towards you and to make a solid move towards you. You still hope that this person will change. You also have an intuition this person has changed, and I think they have. This person has already become a Knight of Cup from Knight of Sword. Knight of Cup is a very beautiful card when it comes to commitment and long term, because Knight of Sword is not a long term thing. Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacle is. I see somebody has changed. You basically changed somebody. And all of this has happened with a lot of push and pull. So I see you and this person, you have been in connection for some time, so it's not a new connection. Alright, the push and pull has been going on for some months or years, and finally I see this person is recognizing your worth. And you want them to recognize your worth. You are also looking for a reconciliation with this person. Don't tell me otherwise in the comment section. Seriously, not interested to hear your lies, because you want them. Okay, what is happening in Taurus life these days? Some of you very focused on money and stability. World card, that's good. Some of you might be traveling. So if you're looking for traveling, that can happen. Some of you, I also see that you're very focused on your healing or money. You're very focused towards your stability or money. You're just trying to better yourself. You're trying to improve yourself, and you're doing that. I see that whatever you're doing, you are going to be recognized in a very big way. So some sort of recognition is coming in. And you are trying to start a new chapter in your life. Like you're trying to do new things. Some of you are trying to do a new business. Or you're just trying to make a way of making more money from different sources. So these days you're very focused on your stability, and you're very determined to do something in life. You know how after some time we feel that, okay, I'm going to do something. I'm going to prove to everybody. I'm going to show to everybody. Some of you, you're in that energy where you feel like I will show to everybody what I am. Everybody will recognize my worth. You're in that kind of energy. Very determined, very passionate, very driven. And I see it is going to give you what you want. With the Star card, you are going to be recognized in a big way. Your life is about to change. Do you already know? Some of you are healers, or you're very intuitive. So whatever you say becomes truth. And people really appreciate you for that. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, when it comes to love, there is some looking back, because you still have passion for this person. Though you told them that you don't want them. But see? You're not able to get yourself out of this person. This person, whoever you're dealing with, they are addictive. They are addictive. You're addicted to this person, or they are addicted to you, vice versa. You still hope to hear from them. You still want this person to come correct. Though you're not speaking, you're staying quiet, but you want this person still. You are not over them, and they are not over you. Both of you, you're addicted to each other. Definitely. And Taurus, one more thing that I'm getting in here very strongly is that though you're very focused on this one person that you want, and you want to hear from them, you want to have a reunion with them, but you also have multiple people who have their eye on you. So what are you doing? You are doing something in your life. Either you're doing some sort of spell to become better, like look beautiful or something, or some of you just very focused on your self-development. You know, nothing is more sexy than an independent man or a woman. So I see that you're in a very independent energy, and that is why you're attracting a lot of attention. You are basically a center of attention. I don't know if you know this or not, but you are. So your life was basically all over the place in the past. Definitely with the Moon card we started, it was all over the place. Your emotions were all over the place. But see from Moon how beautifully you transited to Star with the World card here in the center. So you've done a very good job, and it was not something that has happened in a week or two. I see this is a long battle that you fought. So slowly and gradually you improved yourself. You turned your adversities into opportunities, and you kept working on yourself, and that is basically getting you here in the Star position. But when it comes to love, no matter how much you try to move on, something just keeps you stuck. You're not able to let go of this person completely, and you want them to reach out to you, and this person is about to. I see that. Okay, what is Pisces' next action towards this person? Nothing, stalking them. You want a new beginning with them, Pisces, but you're not going to do much about it. I see that you also keep tabs on this person, or you're trying to get information about them. They're doing the same. You both are acting very very much in the same way. You stalk them, they stalk you. You want a new beginning, they want a new beginning. And I see there will be a new beginning. You will be talking to each other very soon. Ace of Swords, new beginnings. I see a lot of confusion is also going to get cleared, because some of you know, like Moon card definitely shows confusion. You were not sure about this person in the past, or they were not sure about you. I see now they're going to be very sure about you. Or now they're going to confess that, okay, I make a decision to have you in my life and I'm sorry for whatever I did. This person was juggling you in the past, but no more. No more. You have manifested this clarity. Some of you were manifesting to get a clarity from this person, and it's coming in. Whatever you wanted is delivered to you, is what I see. Whatever you wanted. If you wanted to move away from this person, you will. And you will find someone new. Someone who's going to be very emotionally fulfilling and beautiful. Somebody who's going to talk about commitment, because Hierophant and the Emperor. And if you want this with the past person, then I see they have changed in a significant way. And now they want to talk. Okay, what else? Wow, this is... You are getting all the good cards in the tarot, you know. Sun card. This looks like a soulmate thing. That is why you were never able to move on from each other. Like, no matter how much you move on, you always come back. Because it was a soulmate connection. And you know, deep down, you both were working on it. Like, you never told to each other, but you both never wanted this connection to end. You both wanted the same thing. And I don't think that this is a new connection. I see this is going on for some months or years. For some of you, 5 years. Like, this push and pull has been continuing. You have tried to break away from each other for many times, but then you always come back. Then you go, then you come back, then you go, then you come back. It's a constant push and pull. You must have told this person that, okay, this is done and I'm never going to talk to you and this is it. But then this person comes back again. Somebody wants to offer you love. Somebody wants to offer you commitment. And I see that this was a wish for you. So your wish is basically granted. I see a new beginning. You also have a choice, some of you. As I said, there are multiple people who have their eye on you. So you will be having a choice. The ball is in your court. You can decide what you want. You were manifesting this love. Definitely. You were manifesting this soulmate connection. Congratulations. Universe heard you. Whatever you were seeking, I see universe is giving it to you, because you were so stubborn about it. You were like, I want this, universe. I don't know how you will give it to me, but I want it. So universe be like, okay, take it. I see a lot of passion and somebody coming in with a lot of maturity. In the past, they were very immature, but now they want to come with maturity. This person might be a little slow, but they are coming in. 6 of Wands. This is so beautiful. In the past, this person was very opportunist and they were not making a decision, but now they want you and only you. And they want to talk about commitment. Some of you, I also see that you have grown a lot in your life, or you will grow a lot in your life, personal life, money and recognition. Recognition majorly. And of course, money will follow. And love, I see true love finally finds you, Taurus. This is such a beautiful reading. Right now, I see you're in separation, but true love is coming in. You manifested it. Stay optimistic about your love life. Again, same message. I see you're already very optimistic. Love yourself first. And finance and career. I already told you your finance and career is improving and you will get to know each other better. You already know this person. This is a past person returning very strongly. You are addicted to them, they are addicted to you. You both are addicted to each other. You don't want to let go of each other. You are just trying to show each other that you don't care, but you care very deeply. And I see this person is going to confess this time. So this push and pull is going to end, finally. So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Bye.